Zooming, it's done by that wheel, like so. You can see the number, it goes up to 2 times, and you can hold it there to the left because it's jumping back. So that is zooming out and that is zooming in. Zooming out, zooming in, zooming out, and zooming in. You can use the button also, but that will instantly zoom out. And that brings us to another theme, focal length. It's also kind of zooming, getting closer to something, but it's not called zoom, but focal length. So when it's varying, that is called zoom. And when it's not varying, when the image totally instantly zooms out, that is called focal length. So that is focal length, abrupt changes, and gradual changes, that's zoom. And that is shown here in the 3 dots. Control, go to the bottom, and here you have button customization. The wheel, the right one, right dial, is zoom in and zoom out, and the next one is adjust focal length. So both of them are referring to zooming. Let's just try it. So zoom in, out. That's the zoom in and zoom out. And if you use adjust focal length, it's also getting closer, but instantly, from 1 time to 2 times. So let's reset it back, reset, and it goes to zoom in and out. Zooming is not working with 4K 60, but if you lower the resolution, then it is working. So currently it's at 4K 60. Let's lower it to 2.7K 60, and you can use even this one, 2 zoom and 3 times zoom, 1, 2 and 3, or you can use the wheel also. It's zooming in and it's zooming out, and it's at 2.7K 60. So currently it's in automatic mode. It's using 4K 24, and if I rotate the wheel, notice it's zooming in and it's zooming out. Zooming works until 30 frames per second. 30, it's still working. Zoom in and zoom out. But as soon as I go higher, the HQ, the high quality, disappears from there, and nothing. I'm pushing it to the right and it's not zooming in. 60 frames per second, the same thing. No zooming. So zooming works only in 30 frames and below. Now it is zooming in and it is zooming out.